In this tutorial, you learn how to create a hover effect using the Figma tool. So without much talk, let's dive into it. Alright, so I already have my images ready. That's because I want this video to be as short as possible, and I got the images from Pinterest because they're so beautiful and I couldn't look past them, so I went for them. So now I have this image here to show you how to make your images black and white. Now select the image, then come over here to the right panel, hovering on here, image. You can click on it, then move down to saturation and drag it forward. You can see your image has turned white and black. And if you want to take it back to the previous color, you can drag it back just like this. So that's simple as that. So let's take out this image and move to the next phase. Now select your image and hold down the alt key and drag it out just like this. And let's give this lady a name and a profession. So come here to text toolbar, click on this, and what would her name be? Let's name her Grace. um Jacobs. Grace Jacobs. I don't understand this password. Okay, so it's okay. Let's see. I think this is fine. Then drag out another. Okay, so what will our profession be? Should it be to be a product designer? Product. So let's make this text. Let's make the text smaller. This is 24. Let's make it light. It's okay. Let's see how this one will look between us. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, so now let's right click on this. Then frame selection. Select your text inside the frame. Select it, then move it down. Select your frame. Now move to the right panel and click content. Our text is still showing. Select the text again and move it down. So now let's same thing for this one. Frame selection. Select your text, move it down, and come over here. Click content. Text is still showing. Move it down now. Okay. Let's move them inside the frame. You can see that the quality of the image is low. That's because I removed the background. When you remove your image background, it reduces the quality of your image. It's not advisable though. So now let's move this up a little. Okay, now duplicate this frame, drag it out. Now let's select our image. Select your image and move it down like this. Let's move it up a little. Okay, so now come over here, move to the right panel. Let's increase the let's take it back to the default color. I think this one is okay. I think she looks beautiful like this. Okay, yeah. So now select your frame again. Select the text inside the frame, then move it out. Select the other frame too. Select the text inside, then move it out. So I think it's okay like this. Let's see how this text will be as black. Let's stick to white. Okay. Let's move them up a little. So now this one over here, select the text and come here. You can see where this section I'm moving on. You can see this 100%. Change it to 0. And move to the next. Select the text inside the frame. Then let the pass through also be 0. So I think we're good to go. So now select both frames. Create component sets. Switch to prototype. And switch to prototype. So select the first image, connect it to the other one, set it to while hovering, smart animate, set it to slow, 600 milliseconds. Okay, I think that'll be all. Let's see what we've done. Copy your image, paste to replace, and select your main frame there. Give it the flow starting point. So let's see how smooth the over effect looks. So now that I've shown you how to, so let me quickly finish it up so we can see the final result for all the images. See how smooth the over effect looks. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching it, and I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you've not yet done that, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.